guys? Welcome to my video. Today we're going to be doing a Nerf war. Joined by my...
Again.
Well, yeah, we did the second take and it didn't go so well. So we're doing it again. I have my weaponry right here. This is going to be my choice of guns. This is going to be his choice of guns. Where's your guns? These are going to be his choice of guns. This gun and the other gun.
You know,
that one's his. This one's mine. And these two are mine.
we're just doing the second one.
Yeah. Don't explain that. Shh. Top secret. Alright, so he's going to be using those two. Let's just go. Here, go give this to Grandma. He'll be back. He's going to go give my grandma's phone to her. But for now, let's go surprise him. I'm going to go surprise him because last time I surprised him, I didn't like it so well. I'm going to go surprise him. Where should I go? I'm going to go back here. I want to go right here. I don't know why this didn't shoot. But last time I scared the
I'm back.
living booties out of him. Alright, let's do this. Alright, so we're going to start this Nerf war. The second round you're going to see from Michael's point of view. For my round, you're just going to see my point of view. Okay, let's get started.
Oh, shoot.
You go to your side.
Can I tell them what happened on the first one?
No, you don't. That's top secret.
Okay.
That's top secret. I never uploaded that video. I haven't uploaded in a while because of Christmas and stuff, but I had a lot of busy things.
Pretend we're unboxing. Okay, guys. This is...
What? No, No, we're not unboxing. What is this guy thinking?
Okay.
Hey, we're gonna have a Nerf war. So let's get started. Okay, 3, 2, 1, start. I'm waiting for him to shoot. I'm waiting for him to run out of batteries for now. Bullets. For now, I'm just gonna chill here. Oh, crap. He's right there. Guys, he's right there. Jeez.
Mom, come on, wherever you are.
Oh, he shot me. You gotta shoot me 3 times to win. Shot me in the arm. For now. Jesus!
Did I get you?
No! He's right there. Okay.
Come out.
Yeah, didn't get me. Can't move! Jesus. He can just snipe me right now. Yes. How many bullets does he have? Oh, God! He has the second gun. Jesus, that gun is very powerful. You can't stand up. Jesus. Okay, right now. Right now. I'm waiting for him to... Jeez. Alright, he's on his 4th bullet. Bullet. What's there? Last bullet. It's my time to shine.
Oh, shoot!
Okay. I'm reloading. Oh, shoot. Here's 1 extra bullet. I have 4 more. Go! I'm saving the rest of the bullets. No. Oh, I'm gonna go sniper. Plus, we need 3 more shots. How about 2? So if you shoot me the next time, you win. He's hiding in the little corner, guys. I'm standing up right now.
Did I get you?
No! Did I even get you?
I'm out.
He's out. Yes! Guys, I won.
I'm in timeout.
No, you're not. There's no timeouts.
No!
I shot his gun! That counts. You can't cover your face anyways. I won. Boom.
I got the bullet.
Alright, let's get our bullets now. It's a mess. Guys, stay right here.
My bullets are all over.
I had one extra bullet.
Hey, those are mine.
So, we have the same bullets. Doesn't really matter.
I should have took yours, some of yours.
I have 2 more. Where's one more that I can use? I have one more. Some bullets are back there. Some bullets are under the couch. Wait, where's my blue bullet from here?
I need one.
Okay.
One more, 2 more.
Oh, it's upside down, guys. Hold on. I need 1 more bullet. I shot it and it shot over here. Hold on. Not so too close. I guess we're gonna end the Nerf war here. See you guys on the next road. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Alright, here's gonna be a cool one. Ready? Set, go.